Congratulations on the purchase of your head-up spinal decompression machine. This is an instructional video on how to assemble the machine. Very simple. Each machine comes with two legs that are directional, so you have to have them on the right side, an X-frame, and two arms. The arms are identical, so it doesn't matter which side you put that on. Okay, so first, we're going to lift the machine, slide one leg in, pull the pin, slide it into the desired height, snap into place. Make sure the pin closes all the way. Do the same thing on the other side. Slide it in, snap in place. Make sure you have the same amount of holes showing. You'll notice these are parallel, so they will be flat on the ground. If you had them backwards, they would be odd shaped and they wouldn't sit flat on the ground, so you know you have them backwards. So basically just stand it up, put it where you want it. Now these are made to be loose like this, so the arms and legs slide in a lot easier. So you take one of the pads, slide it in the top, pull the pin, adjust it to the height of your torso, the width of your torso, slide the other one in, pull the pin, slide it in. And again, same amount of holes showing. Notice it's snapped into place. And you basically just lower your body down into the machine and then relax your lower back. You'll instantly feel the back tension release. You should be in a seated position with your thighs parallel to the ground. Thank you and have a great day.